So I'm just going to point a few things out on this video. Look at her hand. That's all you have to see right there. And I'll show you something else. I'm not going to say the name, but do you know who this is? So the man who shot this video is a TI. So Richard Bruce, this is his channel, and he is a TI. And this jerk is a reptilian. I'm not going to say his name. I don't need a strike. And he says that the aliens are his friends and they will kill for him. Well, there's a reason. They're not aliens. And neither is he. Showing you a few clips from his video. I'm doing a compilation of shots from his videos. Behold, I give unto you power to tread on serpents and scorpions, and over all the power of the enemy, and nothing shall by any means hurt you. Luke 10:19. Jeremiah 31:27. Behold, the days come, saith the Lord, that I will sow the house of Israel and the house of Judah with the seed of man, and with the seed of beast. Beast, sentient, non-human. Seed, interbreeding or direct membership with the Jews. Not my words, Jeremiah's. And he's repeating the Lord's word. So, I'm not going to say the name. Go ahead and read it. I'm showing you a few of the titles on his videos. I just want to show you some of the topics that he covers, which is all pretty much spot on. I'm showing you a few of the cover of his
This could be possible. And you talk about a report from December 2017. Segment, they just basically took all thing that I've always noticed. It's like when you